guys, while we were in Washington, D.C., we learned a little bit about Hoover. Herbert Hoover? Herbert Hoover, the president. Yeah, and his history with Shenandoah. And as we're driving through Iowa, we see signs for the Hoover National Historic Site. And we'll take a little rest stop and check it out while we're here. It's right on the way, right up the freeway. So we didn't get to go to Indiana Dunes, so we'll stop and check this one out.
Hoover sucks.
Why?
What he did in Shenandoah.
What'd he do?
He forced people to leave. They lived there. It was their home. He's like, no, bye, out. No.
That's true. I mean, all the national parks, we love them. We love seeing them, but some of them have a kind of a
dark history.
A dark history, unfortunately. Yeah, read the history that Hoover made Shenandoah National Park, and actually the government made a lot of people leave the area to make it a national park. So check it out. Katie says edit her prior comments out of the video because he did a lot of good things. Yes, not every president of the United States is perfect, but as we all know that. Right now on this? No. Earlier? You said he sucked? No, probably not. This is just part.
It's against my will.
It's against your will?
Yeah.
What we did find out was that Hoover proclaimed Arches National Park, Isle Royal, and Glacier during his presidency. Pretty cool. But Shenandoah is the one that Kaylee has an issue with. I don't know, make sure he's not home. Yeah, Mr. Hoover. We'd like to talk to you. How'd you like that? Yeah, that is your bathroom, kid.
I'm just pretty sure it's tracked first and then
Alright. We have no idea what that means, if that's a tornado warning or what. As we're in this small town in Iowa. You can hear it in the background. We all kind of stopped where we were at. Great. It's kind of clear today. Don't see any chances of tornadoes, but we are in the Midwest, so interesting.
I had an out-of-body experience.
She's like, I think
My
I just
soul,
died a little.
like after that, my soul kind of like left my body for a minute and then it came back. I am.
Maybe they just try out the warning system here every now and then.
I know they do that. Give a warning before they do that. Like, this is a drill.
Right.
Like, okay, cool, then it's something to worry about.
This building here served as the community church the Quakers. Yeah, to clarify Kaylee's rant earlier when she said that President Hoover sucked. What she's referring to is what we found out in Shenandoah. He was a resident there, and it kind of bothered her that the government actually made people relocate to find other places to live. But it is part of American history, and as any president has done, good and bad. So he did establish a lot of the national parks, though, so thumbs up in my book. This guy had a bass fish. Okay, our stop here in Iowa is over, and took a little while to check out the Herbert Hoover National Historic Site and the Presidential Library right here behind us. Check it out.